I'm so excited because since Stefano saw this recipe on Instagram, on your account, he has been just, I want that recipe.
Asking for this every day. Yeah, he called me too. He
He called me too? Oh my gosh, he's something else, isn't he?
So that's why I left Miami.
That's why you left Miami?
Just to come
To
here and do
make!
this. Yeah, to make this.
That's a good love that he comes.
Stefano happy.
I'm happy. Okay, so
All right.
how we making Stefano happy
We're
today?
gonna do the pesto
That's right.
with beets. Yes. So let's put the beets inside. So steam first, okay? So they're soft. Just chop a little bit so it's easier to for the blender, you know, to mix everything.
That's right.
Basil, okay, like that. Garlic. Usually I put one. You can put more. Cheese, Parmesan cheese, okay.
Yes, and this is all to taste. There is not exact measurements, okay?
Tomato, just I put one tomato. It's good because it gives a little flavor.
It does, it does. Tomatoes are wonderful with Italian.
Walnuts.
Love tomatoes. Walnuts.
Okay. Just put a few more. These walnuts are healthy too, you know that?
Yes, they're very healthy. It's a healthy fat.
And salt.
A little bit of PapaVince
A
salt.
little bit salted. You can always add later. You just put a little pinch of salt first, and then if it tastes, you know, a little more, a little more. Extra virgin olive oil.
Don't forget, this is the key ingredient that's gonna make everything taste better.
So just put a little bit first.
So good. That's gonna go great
Do you
with
think
pasta.
we should tell Stefano about this or just...
I think I'm gonna eat it all.
you should just eat it.
Let's not tell Stefano.
Here. Did you smell this? This is for you, look.
Wow, look
Well,
at
actually, it was for Vidina, but
color
now
of
it's for
that. Well, I'm
is
here
for you.
now. I'm gonna
Yeah,
taste
I
it.
know.
Forget,
Don't
forget
tell
about
her. Yeah, don't tell her,
Vidina.
okay? Look, this. You know what this is? Pesto.
Beet.
Now, do you like cheese?
Beets. Pesto a beets.
Beets.
Mm.
You like walnuts?
Sure.
I'll just do some of them, okay?
Okay.
Like that.
Wow.
like,
So I
some
get
olive
to
oil?
dive my fork into there. Add some olive oil.
Yeah,
You gotta add PapaVince olive oil. The finishing.
No,
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
look.
To make sure that the flavors of the beets, the
Okay.
walnuts, the Parmigiana come out. Wow.
Buon appetito.
Grazie mille.
Tell me what you think about it.
Wow, that's really good.
It's better than what you expect, right?
Much better than I expected. It's fantastic.
Good.